I am Prashant Chothani, and we have invested into UK in two companies. One is in the media vertical, which is into the broadcast space, and one is in the travel vertical, which is about online e-commerce travel. We were in the media space in India and doing overseas business as well. We wanted to base out of UK and do our international media operations, keeping UK as a hub, and that was our intent in establishing a company out of the UK, whereby we would expand into other European territories, American territories, North America, Latin America. So that was the whole idea of setting up the base in the UK. Doing business in the UK has been a very pleasant experience, and what I heard before going into the UK, things are simpler, transparent, clear, and it's extremely easy to do business. I remember an instance when I employed the first employee in the UK, and when we did a NI registration, I actually got a kit from the HMRC with a covering letter which says thank you for creating employment in the UK, and there was a huge kit with do's, don'ts, and it was a very nice feeling. There are several instances which could take a longer time, but the experience of doing business in the UK has been extremely pleasant. My suggestion to UKTI would be to make other entrepreneurs in India aware that something like this exists, who can handle them, help them in pre-planning, making them take better decisions. This is a brilliant initiative, but a lot of companies or a lot of entrepreneurs need to be reached out to let them know that something like this really is there. Yes, we would be expanding out of UK. We intend to create UK as our base for our global headquarters. You can say we'll have our global operations running out of UK.